What if I told you the future of money, business, and even ownership is being built right now? Not by billion-dollar corporations, but by everyday innovators you've probably never heard of. These are the unsung heroes of the decentralized economy, the quiet builders. While mainstream headlines focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and flashy crypto millionaires, behind the scenes, developers, entrepreneurs, and problem solvers are laying the real foundation of the decentralized economy. They're creating decentralized apps, smart contracts, and peer-to-peer systems that remove the middleman and give power back to the people. Why they matter: banking systems, supply chains, digital identity, even real estate. Every one of these industries is being disrupted. Instead of relying on massive institutions, people now interact directly through blockchain and decentralized finance. The heroes of this movement are solving problems like high fees, slow transactions, and lack of access. Their work ensures that the future economy isn't just for the rich. It's open to anyone with an internet connection. Now I'd love to know where you are watching this video from. Drop your city or country in the comments below. It's amazing to see how the internet is giving everyone access to build wealth and live the abundant life. Innovation in action, from coders designing self-executing contracts that eliminate fraud, to creators launching decentralized autonomous organizations with no CEO. These innovators are rewriting the rules of business. They're making wealth creation borderless, censorship-resistant, and transparent. That's why decentralization isn't just hype. It's the backbone of a new financial era. The overlooked impact. While governments debate regulations and banks scramble to adapt, these quiet builders push forward. They're enabling small businesses, creating financial inclusion in developing countries, and even allowing people to own fractional shares of real-world assets. Imagine owning a part of a skyscraper, a painting, or music royalties, all without Wall Street. That's the future they're creating. This is Wealth in Billions, where we uncover the strategies, technologies, and mindsets that shape wealth and power. If this video inspired you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future insights. And before you go, check out my video on how the rich protect their wealth. Because building wealth is one thing, but keeping it is the real game.